it's Ariana, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer for our video for today for the SFXmas series. So I'm going to be doing a Rudolph. I just found a picture on Pinterest that I'm going to try to recreate, and I will link it right here for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's a pretty just standard makeup look, and then she just draws some little circles all over her face, and she's not actually Rudolph, she's just a reindeer. Or a deer, I guess. So I'm going to turn it into Rudolph and do my own little twist on it. So I'm going to start this off by doing my eyes first. So I am actually going to be using the Juvia's Place Sahara palette. So this is a brand new palette. I haven't used it yet. It looks like this. It has all of these really pretty colors. I originally bought this palette for this green here. This green looked really pretty online, and now that I have it, it literally doesn't even look green. So a little disappointing, but that's okay. I'm gonna use this palette today and make a pretty brown eye look, I guess. So I'm gonna start off by going into the color, I'm gonna butcher these names, Katsina right here, this brown right here, and I'm gonna put that all in my crease. So the kick up in this palette isn't actually too bad. It's a lot better than most that I've ever used. So I'm just going to do a quick brown eye look. Now there isn't really a deep dark brown in this palette, so I'm going to go in with my Gemini palette by Milk Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with Polka Dot, and I'm just going to put Polka Dot all over my lid. And a little bit of Cupcake because it's a darker brown. I'm going to mix those two together. And then I'm going to go back into Katsina from the Juvia's Place palette and just blend that harsh line together. And then I'm going to go into the black in the Juvia's Place palette. It's called Chad, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corners. And I'm going to go do the exact same thing on this eye. And now all over the lid, I'm going to go in with Zoya. So Zoya looks like this. It's a shimmer. I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow side of my Luxie brush, and I'm just going to dip into Zoya. And then I'm going to spray it with some setting spray, and I'm going to go over my lid and just add a sparkle. And then I'm going to go back into Katsina and just blend in the crease. And then because you guys know I like a lot of color and sparkles, and this is just kind of a boring eye look to me, I'm going to go in with Gemini from my Milk Cosmetics palette, and I'm just going to go over and add a little bit more sparkle in with a lighter color. And that is the brown finished eye look for now. So I'm going to go in with a cotton round and some makeup remover, and I'm just going to clean up the edges. So now I'm going to go in and do my foundation. So I am going to use the BH Cosmetics Naturally Flawless Foundation mixed in with my CC cream. Alright, so now that the foundation is on, I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. So this is the ColourPop concealer in Fair 08. Not even going to bother putting it under my under eyes because it makes it look horrid. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the NYX Contour and Sculpting palette, and I'm going to use my Morphe brush that I use for blush and contour. So she has some pretty heavy contour on her nose. She has some pretty heavy contour on her nose and her forehead, so gonna be so tan, my reindeer. For her eyes, she has some lashes, which I have right here, and she has some eyeliner that's going in a really interesting direction. So let's try that. Let's do a winged outliner. She has that filled in, so I may have to do this with black body paint because this eyeliner is not working. So I'm gonna go in with black body paint to do this portion. So it's like a little triangle, like a teardrop shape under her eye. Kind of like that, just like a triangle that goes under her eyes. I have very dry under eyes, so this is making it really difficult to do this. All right, so now that we have the eyes on, I'm gonna fill in my waterline with just some black liner. She does her eyebrows, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quickly off camera, and I will be right back. All right, so now that the eyes are done, I want to go in and do the nose. So I'm gonna go in, well, I'm gonna do the red glitter nose last, but I'm gonna go and do like the Rudolph, like the reindeer part. So I'm gonna draw a line right down the center, and you guys couldn't even see that. All right. The center of my mouth. And I'm gonna do the top portion with my black lipstick. So I have the color Raven by Baby Bath Beauty. You wanna keep the bottom portion for your makeup. Now that that's done, we're gonna go in and we're going to draw some little dots all over. So we're gonna go in with white body paint and a precision brush. So we're gonna go in to Mehron body paint in the color white. So I'm just gonna go in and we're gonna draw little white spots. Now for Rudolph's part. So I am gonna go in with the brush that I use for my glitter glue. And I'm gonna pour some of the NYX glitter glue on my hand. And I'm going to put that all around my nose where I want the red glitter to be. So now with a very fine brush, I'm gonna go in with red glitter. So there is my glitter reindeer nose. You can add more to your nostril area if you want. I just don't want to be sneezing too much glitter later. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. So the only thing that I could have done to make the red nose a little bit better would be to have added a red eyeshadow underneath it to make it more like a solid red, but I don't really have any true reds. The only truest red that I have is in the James Charles palette, and I don't really know if it is even going to be this red. I didn't want it to come off as pink at all, and a lot of reds in makeup palettes look more pink than they do red, so I just threw on a red glitter mass, as you guys see. I think it looks really cute. I need to go and grab some horns, and my reindeer is done, so I will be right back. So I just went out and I grabbed some really cute little reindeer horns from the dollar store, and I think they're really cute and they're really fun, and it is a really cute look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. And if you guys are interested in seeing me turn myself into a dead reindeer, then stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because I'm gonna do some fun special effects stuff to go along with my reindeer, but I figured you guys might want a really cute reindeer first, so that'll be in tomorrow's video, and I hope you guys will give that one a like and a watch and a comment, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!